Now for you won't buy property, you carry the matter go meet papa country. Papa country will be say you only face me and slap your apartment wey you get. Na for im grandpapa hand he inherit am. Even the man dey make life hard for im ten ants. Dat one never do you. You go meet Quadri. Quadri be say na him be the chief ten ant for place wey him dey stay. And you think say Quadri go happy say you wan become landlord while him still remain ten ant? You see something Yoruba people go talk say if you wan match wet ground, you go first do wetin? Pour water for ground. Na like so investment matter be. People wey dey buy.
Real estate is the world's surest investment you can ever key into and get a quick return on your investment. Hi, I read your lady realtor who will raise a special grade property. Here I'm bringing you Fairmont Green and Smart Estate located at Alaro City, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. This estate is facing the Lekki International Airport. Yes, very close. Imagine you having an estate like this and you decide to build maybe an hotel, because here we have both commercial and also have a residential plot in this estate. You can see the perimeter fencing. It has been done. You can see the gatehouse. Very, very beautiful. This development alone will make the property appreciate faster. Get the title. The title is the sea of gold. That is another appreciation on your property alone. The proximity, the neighborhood, we have the Lekki International Airport opposite us, the Lekki Deep Sea Port, the Free Trade Zone, the Alaro City, and lots more. And this alone is going to bring appreciation on this property. You can see the land I'm standing on. It is very dry. You can see that the drainage. Woo! The drainage. This drainage has been a lot of things is really happening here. With 1 million naira initial deposit, you can key into this good investment and spread balance up to 24 months. Which estate is doing that? Man, it's difficult for you to get that. With 1 million naira initial deposit, you can key into this beautiful investment and spread your balance up to 24 months. For more details, please feel free to call me on 0706390716 or 08151652972. And hi, special grace will be waiting to hear from you. Thank you and God bless you.
This estate has features like the smart infrastructure, the smart energy, solar power, renewable technology, electric vehicle charging ports, and also recreational center. The price for this land is 18 million naira for 500 square meters outright, and 300 square meters is selling for 11 million naira with instrumental payment plan up to 24 months.